Hello everyone, I am coming to you today and this is to do a Yeezy Gap unboxing, and this is gonna be for their shirt that has the dove. If you watched any of my videos before, I don't have all the details because I'm just a regular consumer, and yeah, I don't know all that extra shit, so y'all gonna have to check someone else. But I will show you how it looks on me, because I'm not no skinny ass girl, as you can see. No. So yeah, I normally wear, when it comes to sizing, just to kind of give you a hint, clearly heavy chested. I wear a size, let's do Zara. So with Zara, I could wear a size 8 and a size 10 when it comes to their denim, when it runs in number sizings. When it comes to the lettering sizing, I can wear a large, and then also too, I got this skirt from Zara and I wear a motherfucking extra large and they stuff. Like, come on. Anyways, so that's my sizing when it comes to Zara. When it comes to H&M, to kind of give you a feel, and that's for the bottoms. Don't know why I didn't mention the tops. Sorry, for the tops in Zara, large, hands down. When it comes to H&M for tops, they run a little bit bigger to me, so I normally do a medium size. Not unless it's something that just runs small there, then I will be a large. So let's get into the unboxing and let's see what it's giving, because I'm scared. Like, I got a medium, y'all, so I really wanted a small, but I waited too long. Like, I put it in the cart, then I went back like, nah, I should get a medium. Then I'm like, no, I should get a small. Then of course by then it was just like, sorry girl, we're done. Get that medium. So here we go. This is what the box is looking like. Nothing special, just a brown box. So now I'm gonna unbox. All right, y'all, so I'm back now. I had to unbox it off of the camera, because it's just too much. I'm not excited about this. I don't know why, but here it goes. It's just in a regular clear little plastic bag. And let's open. Damn! I just unfolded this, y'all. This is a fucking joke. Look at this. Kanye West. What is y'all thinking? This is like laughable, y'all. This shit is really laughable. It's cute though. But what is this on here? Okay, don't send me no defective shit, please. I waited 2 months to get a fucking bed sheet. All right, y'all, how about this? I'm about to put this on and then come back. And this is really a raw ass review. I'm not perfect. I'm not no perfect YouTuber, so you're not gonna ever get that with me. But I'll be back, y'all. I'm about to try this thing on. Even though, like, this is crazy. This wouldn't even be cute as a dress. Like, anyways, I'll be back, y'all. Let me put this on. All right, y'all. So I have the shirt on, and it's huge as fuck. Y'all can get an idea. Hope y'all can see. You know, I'm disappointed. Like, it's one thing to me for something to be oversized, but this is like a night shirt. Now, keep in mind, if I cinch it at the waist, I might be able to do it, but that's not the look I was going for. So, this is a medium, y'all. I weigh 175. I weigh 175. And this is what it looks like. Good luck. That's all I can say. I don't have nothing no more to say. I'm just mad as fuck I waited this long for nothing. Terrible. But it feels heavy. It feels like good quality. But fuck the quality. I want it to fit. Come on. Selling bed sheets. Kanye West is selling motherfucking bed sheets, y'all. Okay? From Gap, engineered by Balenciaga. Get you some. All right, y'all. In all seriousness, though, if you are going to purchase this on the resale market, or if he re-releases these shirts, I do highly suggest that you do order 2 to even 3 sizes down from your original size. All right, y'all. I'm done. Bye.